Vanakkam, welcome to Santoshi's Kitchen. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Palak Pulao. Palak means spinach and Pulao is a rice dish. So this is a spinach based rice dish. It's very tasty and it's very healthy too. So let's go ahead and start making Palak Pulao. Heat a wide heavy bottom pan on the stove. Add oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil for this recipe. Heat the oil for about 2 minutes. Bay leaves, cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves and star anise. Roast the spices in the oil until they turn light brown in color. Now you can see that the bay leaves are turning brown. Now you can add sliced onion. Cook the onion in medium heat for about 2 minutes. Once the onion starts turning light brown, add ginger and garlic paste. Add chopped tomatoes. This is Thai green chilies. I have split them into 2 halves. I'm adding 5 Thai green chilies. It gives extra flavor and spiciness to this spinach pulao. Add chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder. I'm going to cook 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt. And then once you add these spice powders, you have to add water, otherwise it will start to burn in the pot. Cook the contents in medium heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add freshly chopped mint leaves. I'm using 5 ounces of fresh baby spinach. So just wash the spinach and add it. Cook the spinach in medium heat for about 3 minutes. I soaked 2 cups of basmati rice in water for about 30 minutes and then I washed the rice until the water runs clear. So this has 2 cups of basmati rice and 4 cups of water in it. So I'm going to add that into the pan. Mix the contents well. Cook at medium heat until the water starts to boil on the top. Now you can see that the water is starting to boil on the top surface. Add freshly chopped cilantro. Reduce the heat to low. Cover it with a lid and cook in low heat for about 25 minutes. It's been 30 minutes now. The rice has been cooked perfect. You can see the individual grains of rice looking beautiful. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions about this recipe, please share them in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them for you.